Hello everyone. To make a copy of a Google Doc, first step, open that document you want to copy and on the top menu, click on File and click on Make a Copy. Now, in first section, write a name for your document. For example, test 1, and in the second section, as a default, this file will save in my drive. If you click on it, you can choose a folder for your document. And also we have a two option. First one, share it with the same people, which means if that document you want copy shared with other people, this document also will share with them. And another, copy comment and suggestion, and based on your needs you can choose one of these options. For example, I click both, and also we have another option, include resolve with comments and suggestion. You can also use this option. After that, click on make a copy. Now wait your document be copied. Now you can edit or add more content in the copy of that document. I hope this video was useful for you. Please subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.